Hi, I'm Sarah Coy. I'm from Richland Center, and I've had basement problems for a long time. It leaked all around the edges and on the seams in the middle of the floor, and sometimes would get to be like probably a ½ inch deep. Over the years, we've had to throw a lot of things away that just got too damaged and soaked with water. I did contact Tri-State. Brent came out and took a look at my basement, and we just talked about where my issues were, where the water was coming in. I was happy that everything just fell into place as far as, they came when they said they were going to, on the date that they said they were going to. There were some things that were a little heavier that I wasn't able to move on my own. So they did help me just move a few things into an area that was out of their way. And then after that was done, then all my belongings were wrapped up in plastic and completely covered. So nothing was going to get ruined by dirt or, get dusty and just be affected. I was able just to come back home and, see that everything was just pretty much as I had left it before they started. And, once the plastic was down and everything, then I could see that nothing had been damaged or affected by any of the work that they had done. And the job was completely finished in 2 days, which is the amount of time that they had expected it to take. And so, yeah, I think it was really great. And I'm really happy that I finally did it.